आता खबर विस्तारान. सगळे जाण केरळाक हेल्प जाय म्हणटा, मात उपसभापती मायकल लोबो म्हणटा केरळाक पैशांची गरज ना, तांकां जाय मागणी. तांचे कडेन पैसे आसात, मात लोकांचो प्रेयस तांकां सद्याक चड गरजेचो म्हूण उपसभापती मायकल लोबो म्हणटा. आयडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
I feel that it is a natural disaster.
ओके.
Natural म्हणजे कितें, पावस सुबेज पडलो, फाल्यां खंयच्याय स्टेटीन इतलो पावस येत जाल्यार थिंगा बुट्टी येतली. The people of Kerala are dignified people, म्हणजे self respected people. They don't want anybody to give them money and they have money. 5% may be poor people. Government has sanctioned so many crores of rupees, 500 crores plus. Other states have also announced. So I don't think they want our money. They want our prayers. मागणे जाय, देवा लागीं मागपाक जाय की तांकां जे कितें रिलीफ वो आनी कितें मेळपाक जाय तें देवान दिवपाचें. पयशांची तांकां गरज ना. God's own country. It rains in this fashion. I don't think anybody is saying that it will happen in Goa, it will happen in Mumbai. It can happen anywhere. It all depends on the rain.
But does Goa needs to learn anything from these floods?
This is natural calamity. जे पावस इतलो पडलो त्या खातीर इतले बुट्टी येयल्या ती. पावस जर इतलो पडोंक ना जाल्यार कांय जावचें, इतली वर्सां जावंक ना. सो पिकासूर कितें लोकांनी कितें रॉंग करूंक नासलें. सो पीपल अशें जाले उपरांत लोक मॅसेजी धाडटा. मोबायल घरांत लागीं आहा न्हू, फ्री आहा सगळें. WhatsApp free, Facebook free. So people put their own interpretations. So I don't think anybody will agree to those interpretations. It is natural calamity. We have to agree and pray for the victims, people who have died. आणि लोक जे आहात हिंगासर तांकां पयशांची गरज ना, तांकां मागण्याची गरज आसा.